This is them, 750. Hurry up. Come on out.
In Glendale, Wisconsin, 2 shoplifters attempted to escape from Target in a stolen vehicle. What began as a simple retail theft call quickly escalated into a dangerous, high-speed pursuit. Before we dive in, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on real-life police pursuits, arrests, and incredible criminal cases.
Taking off northbound on Port, King David Paul 3628, Texas.
Silver SUV, one for retail theft. Northbound on Port, 6,000 block.
Green light at Chipotle, continuing northbound, speeds of 50, traffic is light.
Coming up to a red light at Glendale on Port, speeds are 60. You slow down for the red. Green light at Port, Glendale, continuing northbound on Port.
Retail type vehicle, silver Volkswagen, or Volvo, I believe. It's a GMC. Therefore, continuing northbound, passing Clovernut green light, speeds are 95.
Oh, sorry, there.
I'm going to try to get in front of him, get sticks if somebody wants to take my spot. 10-4, I'll do that. 30, call it when I do that. Coming up to a little bit of traffic at Starbucks, 6800 block. Continuing north on Port, coming up to a green light at Green Tree.
Light traffic. Joe 528, slow down for a green light, going westbound on Green Tree from Port. Westbound coming up to Chief Lake, speeds of 40, no traffic out here.
Continuing westbound on Green Tree.
Speeds of 65, no traffic.
Slowing down for the stop sign at River, continuing westbound. Stand by on which direction, north or west?
A little bit of traffic at the stop sign. 3 days. Slowing down, continuing. And you west north on River towards Good Hope.
Continuing northbound on River Road at a red light, Good Hope and River, red light. Speeds are 50.
Speeds are 50.
Slowing down for that red light at Good Hope.
Westbound Good Hope, River.
Westbound on Good Hope, speeds are 45. We are in pursuit of a retail theft vehicle.
King David Paul 368, Texas. Silver SUV, continuing westbound, green light at Green Bay. Light traffic out here, speeds are 90. Terminate.
12, did you say terminate?
I did. Good. He's doing another U-turn over the west side.
10-4, terminating back eastbound on Good Hope. He's doing another U-turn going westbound on Good Hope, coming up to Green Bay. Red light there, stop 6.
Green Bay, red light there, stop 6.
Got him.
Terminate, follow him. Terminate, follow him.
10-4, terminated, everything's off, continuing northbound. That vehicle is, I'm 35 miles per hour. He's northbound on Green Bay. It has got good sticks on the driver's side. Tires are deflating right now. Passing the 7300 block of Good Hope on Green Bay northbound. Just following, not in pursuit.
No, started, we're biting.
Vehicle's continuing, it's slowing down now. It's passing a range line right now. I believe it went north on range line. I do not see it north on Green Bay. I got a citizen saying he went south on range line from Good Hope. Or I'm sorry, from Green Bay. going to continue to check the area, see if they ditched the vehicle. Going to check Brown Deer Park. Disregard. He is southbound on Range Line. He's past the entrance to Brown Deer Park. He's going to be coming up to Good Hope, probably westbound. He's going to be making a U-turn eastbound on Good Hope. Probably going to go southbound on Range Line.
Had heavy tire cases at the intersection of Range Line and Good Hope. You're losing the front driver's side tire.
Which direction are you going?
Currently southbound on Range Line. Southbound Range Line. On Titania.
Alright, he ducked in the neighborhood.
Reports came in from bystanders spotting two men fleeing on foot. The tension was palpable. One wrong move could allow the suspects to vanish completely. A lucky officer passing a Domino's Pizza spotted two men matching the suspect description.
I was just told that two subjects ran westbound across the railroad tracks. Yeah. Is that at the 6,900 bucks? From the area of City and Bureau. I have yet to locate that vehicle.
734 is going to be on the west side. I believe it's Bureau or Green Tree that comes up in the neighborhoods. Behind leader towing.
Good.
Description again.
The two white males, one's older, wearing a black jacket, possibly with a brown paper bag, and the second one is wearing a black leather jacket and darker blue jeans. Both white males.
I can't see the race, but there are two males standing inside of Domino's. This is them, 750. Hurry up. Come on out. On the ground. Hands behind your back. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground. Have you lost your motherfucking mind today? Taser. Put your hands in your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Out of your damn mind.
You keep your hands behind your back too.
If you don't keep moving your hand, quit moving your damn hand.
Right.
Sit down.
Pick up my
Glasses right now. Were you concerned about your glasses?
So explain to me why I should be.
I'll pick them up for you.
But you're done doing this stuff, okay? We done chased you all over. Good.
Then why'd you try to run out of Domino's?
I didn't try to run nothing.
Okay, see this?
I'm paying for
Cameras.
a soda.
Yeah? What'd you pay for at Target?
I didn't go in Target.
Okay. So now you done lied.
I don't understand.
You don't have to.
Right, thank you.
It's all on camera, see. Welcome to 2024.
It's amazing.
Stop moving.
I gotta sit up, man.
You can sit right where you are.
Thank you.
Any knives, needles, anything sharp on you?
No.
No needles or anything?
Your glasses are going to be in your front pocket.
Are they there? What, can you check the lens? Make sure the lenses are there, please.
They were there. Like I said, you weren't worried about them before when you tried to run out of here.
I didn't try to run. I was paying for a soda.
Paying for a soda caused you to stand up on this and try to jump past us?
I was trying to jump past you. I was paying for a soda.
I'll tell you what. Why don't you stop talking?
Stand up. I'm gonna come grab your stuff and go into the squad. Is it yours free?
Yeah, mine's free.
Yeah, I got mine on the bike trail. Pop a seat. You injured at all?
Yeah.
What's going on?
My elbow, my rib where you need me.
What do you need you?
Yeah, you did.
Okay. Other than that, you're okay?
My wrist took a bit.
Because of the cuffs? Because you were fighting with us?
I wasn't fighting.
Okay.
I wasn't fighting. You can't.
Hi, How you doing, sir? Sorry to interrupt your business like that. They came into your business, right?
They sat right down and said anything.
They didn't order anything? Was there anything odd about their behavior? Did he say anything in specific? Nope. I appreciate your time.
No problem, sir.
Yep.
Where's this hat at?
That's right here.
He just came in. Did he buy a soda? Because he said he was trying to buy us.
They didn't buy anything. I was making food, and when I went to ask them, can I help you guys? And they said, you were about to make an order, and I went up to the register, and then I saw you guys
coming in,
drive in and get out. I was like, damn.
Both suspects were taken into custody safely. Officers ensured proper procedures were followed, from cuffing to transportation, while confirming no one was injured during the pursuit. Gary later pleaded guilty to most charges, receiving 4 years in prison with extended supervision, and bans from major retail stores. John's case remains ongoing, with his guilt yet to be determined in court. This incident highlights the risks involved in modern retail theft. Attempting to steal in 2026 isn't clever, it's dangerous and often escalates quickly. Cameras, digital tracking, and trained staff mean that every move is observed. Petty theft can escalate into felonies in moments. A simple decision to flee can result in long prison sentences and life-altering consequences. Officers demonstrated incredible skill, coordination, and professionalism throughout this pursuit. Their ability to balance public safety with effective law enforcement ensured the suspects were apprehended without further harm. For shoppers, this is a reminder, theft isn't worth it. Staff are trained to observe, engage, and prevent escapes. Modern security measures make evasion nearly impossible. These events show how quickly ordinary situations can turn chaotic and dangerous. Always stay alert, respect the law, and understand the consequences of your actions. If you found this story intense, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and stay updated on real-life police pursuits, arrests, and unbelievable criminal cases. More stories are coming that you won't want to miss.